In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download Monday.com on Android in just a few simple steps. If you want to manage projects, track tasks, and stay organized from your phone, this is the fastest and safest way to get the official Monday.com app installed on your device. Before we begin, make sure your Android phone is connected to the internet and, if possible, updated to Android 9.0 or higher for the smoothest experience. Also, if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. All right, let's jump in. First, unlock your Android device and open the Google Play Store. You can usually find it on your home screen or inside your app drawer. The Play Store is the safest place to download apps because it helps protect you from unofficial or harmful downloads. Once the Play Store opens, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap inside the search bar and type Monday.com. Make sure you spell it correctly so you can find the official app quickly. Then tap the search icon on your keyboard or on the screen. Now look carefully at the results. You want to find the app called Monday.com Work Management. The developer should be listed as Monday.com, and the app usually has a colorful, multicolored logo that stands out from other apps. This is important because there may be similar-looking apps in the store, and you only want the official one. When you found the correct app, tap the Install button. Your Android phone will begin downloading the app automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. While it's downloading, Android will also install it for you in the background, so there's nothing else you need to do. If your device asks for permission or confirms the download, just accept it and continue. In most cases, the process is automatic and very straightforward. After the installation is complete, you'll see an Open button right inside the Play Store. You can tap Open immediately to launch Monday.com, or you can return to your home screen and find the app icon in your app drawer. Either way, the app should now be ready to use on your Android device. The first time you open Monday.com, it may ask for a few permissions. For example, it may request access to notifications so it can alert you about task updates, or contacts if you want to invite team members more easily. These permissions are optional depending on how you use the app, but they can improve your experience. It's also a good idea to avoid third-party APK websites when downloading Monday.com. Even if they seem convenient, they can expose your device or workspace data to security risks. The Google Play Store is always the best option because it gives you the official version and keeps the app updated automatically. If you don't see the app right away, double-check your spelling, scroll through the results, and make sure your Play Store account is working properly. If your device is low on storage, free up a little space and try again. That usually solves most installation issues. And that's it. Monday.com is now downloaded and ready on your Android phone. You can start managing projects, organizing work, and staying on top of tasks from anywhere. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.